Hi Fulcheries, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akriti, and on this channel we discuss anything and everything related to girlies, fashion, makeup, lifestyle, reviews, recommendations. So, your big sister is back with another haul video, short kurti haul video. मेरा बहुत टाइम से मन था कि मैं कुछ शॉर्ट कुर्तीज मंगाऊं बिकॉज दिस इज ऑफिशियली द टाइम वेयर वी आर वेयरिंग शॉर्ट कुर्तीज. Short kurtis are all over the internet. Short kurtis are so much in trend right now. I have ordered a few short kurtis from Misho, and these are quite affordable. These are quite cute. You can wear it to office, to your colleges, and on daily wear maybe. These are very basic, plain printed cotton. I think cotton short kurtis. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. I have not opened these packages yet, so we will open them together and let's see what we have. So the first kurti that we have is in pinkish color. Summers, it is very easy breezy to wear short kurtis. एक तो stylish भी लगती हैं and ऊपर से they look very presentable and classy as well. So ये मेरा ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन ही होगा बिकॉज आपके सामने आई एम ओपनिंग दीज कुर्तीज. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट कुर्ती. आई ऑर्डर्ड एवरीथिंग एक साइज बड़ा बिकॉज खुला खुला अच्छा लगता है. आई लाइक वेयरिंग ओवर साइज क्लोथ्स, सो आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग अ साइज अप. एंड आई विल टेल यू कि इनमें से कौन सी कुर्ती आपको साइज अप करके ही मंगानी है क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है वो श्रिंक हो सकती है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट कुर्ती दैट वी हैव. सो दिस इज अ वेरी प्रिटी पर्पल कलर एंड इट हैज लॉन्ग स्लीव्स और उसकी स्लीव्स पे से ये नेट डिटेलिंग है. या यहाँ पर दिस इट हैज बटन्स और इस पे ये कुछ फ्लावर प्रिंट है. आई थिंक इट लुक्स प्रिटी क्यूट. दिस इज हाउ दिस लुक्स. It looks pretty damn cute. Like the detailing is very nice. I really like this one. This goes well with blue. The next kurti, again some floral print. एंड एक चीज मैं आपको और बताऊंगी व्हेन आई टेल यू द प्राइसेस ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी कुर्ती. मैं पहले फ्लिपकार्ट पे देख रही थी कि फ्लिपकार्ट से मंगा लेती हूँ सारी कुर्तीज. व्हेन आई कंपेयर द प्राइसिंग ऑफ फ्लिपकार्ट एंड मीशो फॉर द एग्जैक्ट सेम कुर्तीज, फ्लिपकार्ट पे इट वाज समथिंग 1800. आई विल अटैच अ वीडियो ओवर हियर. वहां पर 1800 की पड़ रही थी. एंड व्हेन आई ऑर्डर्ड दीज फ्रॉम मीशो, all the kurtis combined costed me around 1500 rupees. That was something which you should keep in mind because seller हर जगह सेम ही है. So I don't think so कि quality में as such कुछ फर्क होता होगा. The next kurti is this one, again in the size XL. Sleeves इसके I think 3/4 है and it has this detailing on the neck. Cute. This is white and burgundy color. I think it looks cute. This is how it looks. This one looks very nice, very flattering, and the combination of white and maroon and blue is looking damn good. And the detailing is also pretty nice. Kurti in question is the one that I'm wearing right now. So this is a very pretty blue color. Blue color is in trend so much right now. So this is like white blue color. काफी comfortable है. It looks very good. So this is how the first one looks. I've paired it with a jeans and it looks pretty cute. This is the length of all the kurtis and I ordered this is an XL size. I think I'm going to size it up a bit and this is how it looks. Next kurti. So this is the next kurti, very basic kurti. I don't remember ordering this. Okay. Yeah. So this printed, सारी printed है, सब पे flower print ही है. Oh, it has these bell sleeves. हाँ, मैंने bell sleeves की वजह से इसको order किया था because they looked super cute. And this is again in XL. Looks nice though. This is how this looks. The sleeves are to die for. Bell sleeves and iski looks very cute. See, each and every kurti goes with black, with blue jeans, and it makes me look super nice. Then we have a kurti which is in black color. So this is the kurti. इसकी V-neck है and it has this cute detailing on the neck. और हाथ पे भी सेम प्रिंट ही है इसके. दिस इज क्वाइट कंफर्टेबल बट ये मैंने एक्सेल में मंगाई थी बट आई थिंक फॉर दिस वन यू वुड हैव टू साइज इट अप बिकॉज ये श्रिंक हो सकती है सो एक साइज बड़ा ही मंगाना. दिस लुक्स वेरी क्यूट लाइक बहुत ही प्यारा सा इस पे प्रिंट है एंड या आई रियली लाइक दिस वन एज वेल. दिस वन ऑल्सो लुक्स वेरी नाइस. सारी अच्छी लग रही है मुझे. It's not a top, it's not a kurti, it's a kurti top. Short kurtis are so much in, and this looks perfect. The last kurti is again in blue color, non aesthetic opening again. ये कौन से साइज में मंगाई है मैंने. ओके आई थिंक इसमें साइज की थोड़ी सी गलती हो गई है. दिस इज इन डबल एक्सएल. मैंने सारी एक्सएल ही मंगाई थी ऑल्दो. So this has this leaf print on it and yeah again this is in blue color and the material is cotton I guess. uh, this looks pretty cute. बहुत अच्छी है देखने में. It looks very nice. This is in a very pretty blue color. Blue और blue उतना नहीं जा रहा but this looks very nice. And the main thing that I've realized after wearing these kurtis is that they look very snatched and it makes you feel very good. Like मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है इनको पहन के. This is how it looks. I think it would look better with the black kurti. Yeah, इसके साथ भी it looks nice only. Yeah. सबके links you will get in the description box. You can check them out. These are very affordable, very basic yet stylish kurtis and you can according to your occasion you can wear it with jhumkas or you can wear it with chand balis and then you can put a little bit of bindi and some kajal and some kada like this in your hand and it will look absolutely gorgeous. You can pair them with wide leg jeans. You can pair them with skinny jeans. You can pair them with pants and then you put some juttis under them. They would look very nice. That was it for this video. That was these were all the items that I got from Misho. Let me know which one did you like the best. For me personally, I think I like this one the best because इसका कलर मुझे बहुत ही क्यूट लगा. बहुत ही प्यारा कलर है इसका. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video then like, share, subscribe and comment down below and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.